Instruments Innovation Challenge India Design Contest 2015. Our invite is 2187 and our project team members are VG Vedapriya from IIIC Department, Anusha from IIIC Department and Suhuma from IIIC Department, who is behind the camera. We all belong to Knowledge Institute of Technology. And our project title is based upon a novel approach for anesthesia injection and patient monitoring system. In today's scenario, medical field has involved in each and every person, and it has become a great importance for every one of us. And considering this, anesthesia injection has a major part in our medical field, because while injecting anesthesia, a doctor should be there with the patient 24/7, and he has to monitor the patient's body condition while giving the anesthesia. So these are combined together by monitoring the patient's body condition and anesthesia injection. We have brought about a system which will automatically control the anesthesia injection based upon the patient's monitoring system. The hardware description or the block diagram for our project is shown here. The hardware description describes about the project that we have done here. Initially, the three parameters, that is blood pressure level, heartbeat rate and the glucose level, are to be monitored. These are monitored using the biomedical sensors in the initial stages. This identified signals are given as an interface to the MSP 430, which controls the input and produces as the output. This is given to the patient as well as the doctor using the GSM module. This GSM module communicates the information to the PC of the doctor, and according to the patient monitoring system, that is patient's system, the alarm unit executes when abnormal condition occurs in the patient's body. So using this, we can have control on the patient's body while we are away from the patient, and the doctor can be monitored every time. The components used are in this system are MSP FET 430, that is to control and monitor the system, and MSP EXP 430G2 to support with MSP PT, and TIIC 5940 for as an LED driver, and THS 126M to convert analog into digital signal. The block diagram, as we have shown, is described as an hardware in the next system. In this hardware, initially the heartbeat is calculated using the heartbeat sensor, and it is given as an input to the control unit. The converter here converts the input voltage, that is AC signal, into the required DC signal and gives it to the both system, that is as a 24 volt for the control unit and as a 5 volt for the display. The display describes about the patient system which is monitored there, and its levels are indicated in the display system. The converter, after converting the signal, gives to the control unit. The control unit passes this signal to the GSM, and the GSM communicates this signal to the patient, to the doctor. The doctor, after checking all the patient's body condition, suggests the anesthesia injection level and is given back to the control unit as given a GSM system, and the GSM again gives to the control unit. The control unit, after executing it, gives this command to the flow controller, where this flow controller controls the anesthesia injection in a system. For our demonstration purpose, we have constructed this as 1 second on and 10 seconds off system. Now the machine will be on for 1 second, and the flow of anesthesia will be injected into the patient's body, and will be off for 10 seconds. Thus, the patient is continuously monitored as well as anesthesia is injected in the body system. We can have control over the patient of 24/7, and the doctor's availability can also be reduced. Now, the doctors can easily monitor the patient system, and one doctor can be assigned multi-patients where his body conditions and treatment required for him can be given at the same time. Thus, this project will create about innovation in the medical field and will be useful for many persons. I thank the opportunity given to us by our college for demonstrating this project and creating our ideas. Thank you.